Okay, now I want to teach you how to find the range. So we have all these problems done, and I want you to figure out the range. Now the domain's related to the x variable. The range is your y variable. So what you do is you go find your cutoff point. It's right there. Now where's that at on the y-axis? Or you got to kind of guesstimate. So here's the point. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So -7. And does it go down from there or up from there? Well, it looks like it's going down. So you're going to do less than or equal to. That's your range. Okay, next one, range y. I don't do a lot with domain and range, but I think you should probably know about it. Okay, here's this. So how far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it looks like it's like halfway in between -5 and -6. So we're going to go call it -5.5. And from there, does it go up or down? Well, it looks like it's going downward as I move. So it's going to be, again, less than or equal to. Okay, so here, y. Now here's the cutoff point I made. So that looks like we're at -1 and then a halfway again. So let's call it -1.5. And from there it goes down, so that's going to be less than or equal to. That's your range. Okay, domain and range go together like peanut butter and jelly. Domain's related to the independent variable, range is the dependent at y variable. Okay, find the cutoff point you made where the graph now starts right here. So y. And looks like we're -1, -2, -3, and pretty close to -4. Okay, is where that is at. So -4. But from there it goes up. Okay, the line's moving upwards. So this should be greater than or equal to. Okay, now with these between points, what you do is put y. So here's the first cutoff point. You're at 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I'm going to put, I'm going to go over this. So I'm going to put 3. And here's your point here. So you're -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So 3 and -5 are the y coordinates. Now you want to put your smaller one on this side and your greater one on this side. And just like up here, you want both the lines, them to be less than, okay? And that's your range. So 3 to -5 is what the y runs to. Okay, now y here. Okay, so here's the first point I marked off. And so you tell me how many squares that is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -7. So I'm putting -7. Then 1, 2, 3, and 3. So we want to put the lesser one here, the greater one here, and then both signs are less than. Because -7 is less than y, but y is less than 3. Okay, and then here, range. Okay, so here's my first range is vertical with your y. Okay, so here from the middle, 1 and kind of halfway, so that'd be 1.5. And here's my other point I marked, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, practically 4. If you have to estimate, that's fine. So we're going to put 1.5 and 4, and again, they're both less than or equal to. Okay, if that's a problem with the range, let me know.